Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for SQL. Today we are going to continue the basics of PLC SQL in DBMS. The previous session I explained about what is SQL and what is PLSQL also, who we need and what is the difference between SQL and PLSQL. When you want continuity, please kindly check the channel and check the playlist and enjoy the video. Let's go for discuss about the architecture. So before discuss the architecture and features of PLSQL, you have to get idea about what is PLSQL developer. So we can say it's a free integrated development environment provided by Oracle to develop software in Oracle database environment and perform various database like with ease and so on. So soon our upcoming session definitely explain how to download the PLSQL and how to start work with PLSQL. Remember, PLSQL is not a standalone program language. Remember. And moreover here, developer is an integrated development environment that is specially targeted at the development of stored program units for Oracle database. Remember, so everything is need for end user. So to save the time for the end user, we need and must know about the PLSQL developer. Where means in the real time we can use the PLSQL for developing anything like web applications and so on and so on. So the architecture, how the architecture look like? The architecture consists of three parts. As seen here, wait, I'm going for SR Finder. So PLSQL block and consists of SQL and units and PLSQL engine and database server. Let's go for explanation. So PLSQL block, what you can say, it's a component which has the actual PLSQL code and also where it contains different sections to divide the code logically and contains the SQL instruction that is used to interact with the database server and the different types of PLSQL units that is called a function, library, procedure, package body, package specification and trigger. This everything we will see in the upcoming session. And PLSQL engine. What is PLSQL engine? It is the component where the actual processing of the codes taken place. Moreover, it separates the PLSQL units and the SQL part in the input. Remember, and what you can say, it can be installed in both database server and in the application server. So everything will go through later. And database server, it's the most important component of PLSQL unit which store the data. And also here the engine always use the SQL from PLSQL units to interact with the database server. And moreover, it consists of SQL executor which parses the input SQL statements and executes the same. So what my suggestion is, better you have idea about SQL and how to work with SQL comfortably, then we can go forward with the PLSQL. Once you know the SQL, we can carry forward and easily understand PLSQL statements. And again repeating, PLSQL is just one of the extension of SQL only. How it's useful and features. Features are advantages. You can say it is tightly integrated with SQL and it can offer error checking. Remember, error checking is a very good advantage from the feature of the PLSQL and offer different data programming structures and support structured programming through functions and also the procedure and also supports object-oriented programming. As if you know the idea about object-oriented programming like encapsulation, class, object, and so on. Everything is supported by the PLSQL. Remaining we'll see in the upcoming session. I hope that you understand what is PLSQL server, what is PLSQL developer, and what are the architecture of PLSQL, and so on. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. And thank you.